Hey, what's going on, BCS Army? Justin from Blue Collar Survival, and today I'm coming at you guys with a little bit of a quick tutorial video. So I've had a few people ask me how I've dyed my handle scales and stuff like that, and this is an example of one of the ones that I did. This is my Paramilitary 2. It was the regular green digi camo, and then I just threw it in some red RIT dye and got that nice red camo, and this was the backspacer was actually tan, so... But you're going to want to get the RIT dye Dymore synthetic. Ooh, the synthetic is key. It has to be synthetic since you're doing it on a synthetic material. I will be doing Racing Red, and I'm going to be doing it on my Griptilian, which it is a little darker green, so I'll probably get almost a maroon red, but we'll see. We're going to try it out and see what happens. So you're going to want to start off. Alright, first off I want to mention, whatever pan you decide to use, be sure that you're never going to use it for anything else other than to RIT dye, because as you can see, it has dyed my pan red. So this is the only thing I use this pan for. So first, we'll go ahead and get our 2 cups of water going. Alright, now that our water is boiling. This is another thing I would say, you might want some gloves because this will dye your hands. So I'm going to actually turn this down some. Get these gloves on real quick. Shake this crap. So I'll let that kind of get back up. And I just use, to dip it, I mean, you can figure whatever you want. I just use a coat hanger. Alright. So, I'm just going to go right into the axis lock. Oh, almost went in without preparing. So I think I did 30 seconds on my PM2. So I think I'm going to do, I got my watch ready, so I think I'm going to do 30 seconds on that. So drop it. Alright, she's all in. And let's do some time lapsing. Alright, and I'm going to take this over and I'm going to go ahead and rinse it in the sink and see what we ended up with. Alright. You're going to want to just kind of scrub it a little bit, you know, as you're rinsing it off. Try to get all the excess off. I really like the color this came out. Alright. Paper towel quick. I'll take this off the heat real fast. I'm going to show you what I got. Oh, I like this. It's almost a nice burgundy. I really like the way that looks. That turned out nice. So in order for me to get the same result, you're going to want to make sure to time it the exact same. Alright, get my trusty coat hanger. And in we go. Alright. Well, I am very pleased with the way this has come out. So yeah, real simple. I mean, 30 seconds in there, you get it. You can go different. You can test it, you know, for less time to see what you like until you get what you want. But 30 seconds, kind of the base I go for on some of these greens when you're going into the red. I knew with that darker green that Benchmade had, it would come out more of a burgundy, but I'm really liking it. I'll put it together and show you guys the final result. All right, and here we go. Let's throw out the final product. So I ended up with a real nice burgundy. I really like it. I really do. I think it turned out good. In just a matter of minutes, real simple. 2 cups of water, half a bottle of RIT dye, and this is 30 seconds. You can experiment, play around with your times yourself on how you want to do it. And like I said, just make sure to use an old pot, wear gloves, and that's all I really got. All right, guys, Justin from Blue Collar Survival. You guys stay safe.